Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore design tokens in Tailwind CSS from backups step by step clearly. To restore design tokens in Tailwind CSS from backups, begin by locating your backup files. These files may be stored in your version control system or saved locally on your computer. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your Tailwind CSS project directory. You can do this by using the cd command followed by the path to your project. Once you're in your project directory, locate the backup file containing your design tokens. Make sure the backup file is in a format compatible with Tailwind CSS. This may include JSON, JavaScript, or any other format you initially used. Now, open the backup file in your code editor. Review the contents to ensure all design tokens you wish to restore are present. If necessary, copy the tokens you want to restore. In your Tailwind CSS project, locate the configuration file. This is usually named tailwind.config.js. Open the configuration file in your code editor. Find the section where the design tokens are defined. This may be within the theme object or a custom plugin. Now, paste the copied tokens into this section. Ensure that the syntax matches the existing structure of your configuration file. If the backup contains design tokens that need conversion, make those adjustments now. Save your changes to the configuration file. Return to your terminal or command prompt. To apply the changes, run the Tailwind CSS build command. This command is typically npx tailwinds build. Depending on your setup, more parameters may be needed. Wait for the build process to complete. This may take a few moments, depending on your file size. After the build, check your output files to confirm that the design tokens have been restored. If everything appears correct, test your application to ensure the tokens are applied as expected. Your Tailwind CSS design tokens should now be successfully restored from your backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.